Hey everyone, welcome to Bugcatcher Wade. Opening 4 packs of the Digimon card game Special Booster 1.5 set. I've not opened any from this set previous. We've done the 1.0 boxes. Hopefully we'll do a 1.5 box soon, but just for now I've got 4 boosters. So without further ado, we'll get cracking, open them, see what we get. Okay, so first up we have got Mega Seadramon, Angelwoman, Rapidmon, Arctic Blizzard, Dokugumon, Meramon, Gargamon, Digimon, Terriermon, Delicate Plan, Scrap Claw is our rare, and a Dark Despair rare card. Let me know what you guys think of the playmat. Bought one of these online. I quite like the artwork involved with it, especially with Etamon. Okay, so this time Garudamon, Blossomon, Saberdramon, Magna Angemon, Cyclone, Gomamon, Auroramon, Lopmon, Kakinmon, Garurumon. Wow. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that, but I'll have a go at Brywiludramon. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but that's one of our rares. Followed with Mimi. So we've got Tankmon, Cyclone, Gatomon, Sukamon, Ikakumon, Death Parade Blaster. Speaking of Sukamon, that must be the look of having the character on the playmat. Saberdramon, Salamon, Flymon, Demi-Vmon, Vmon is our rare, and Rise Greymon. So we've got Angelwoman. Oh, move those 2 rares into the rare pile over there. There we go. Gatomon, Volcanic Flare, Rapidmon, Arukenimon, Candlemon, Death Parade Blaster. Ooh, something very good back there. Birdramon, Ray of Victory, Gatomon, Etamon. We was only just briefly talking about him, how he's one of my favourite Digimon, featured here on this playmat. And the final card, Ragnarlordmon. Beautiful artwork there. It's a secret rare as well. Very pleased to have pulled that. Beautiful card. So as I say, it's the first opening I've done of the 1.5 set. Can't complain with what we've pulled there today. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and there'll be some more coming up soon. Take care.